A spine stretch looks like a lot of different things for different people. There's flexion, extension, side bending, all different angles of stretching and strengthening the spine. There's no doubt about it that having a healthy back is crucial to our overall health. As always, all exercises aren't for everyone. People with herniated discs or ruptured discs should avoid a lot of flexion, compression exercises, and should always ask your doctor before you get started. To strengthen the spine and forward flexion, place the strap underneath your feet and slowly roll yourself down vertebrae by vertebrae. Let the spine just kind of hang and relax, and then pull onto the strap as you tighten your abs to really get a release in your low back. Then breathing, exhale, roll yourself back up into a standing position and reach those arms above your head. Come to that extension position and really get a good stretch through your spine, supporting yourself through the strap and really opening up through your chest. A lateral or side stretch from here feels really great. Just really, again, pressing into the strap, pulling the strap apart above your head and stretching through the side from each side to side. And trying not to let the sides cave in on one side, really make it strong and keep reaching, lifting up and up. Using On The Mend Balm really helps to release any muscle tension built up throughout the day. Balm really helps the muscles relax, so use as much as you need and make sure to work into any sore spots. Add the resisted piece of the stretch as you're pulling on the lower part of the strap and resisting as much as you can with the top part of your strap. Here's what it looks like in action. When you finish, take a few deep breaths and open up through your chest, smile, stretch the neck from side to side, and congratulate yourself on a job well done. Don't forget, you can find this stretch kit and any other CBD products at simplejane.co.